come from everywhere in the world, come from Birmingham, come from Coventry, come from the north of England, come from the south of England. I'm looking forward to people from London. There are a lot of our friends in London that really haven't been to Birmingham before. They say, Dr. Sammy, we would like to come worship with you in Birmingham. Well, here it is, March 25 and 26. March 25 is going to be 5 o'clock in the evening, and March 26th, the Sunday, is going to be 12 o'clock in the afternoon for the Spring Up Conference 2017, where I'll be ministering by the power and in the power of the Holy Spirit. I cannot wait. We cannot wait to receive you. We are ready. Everything is ready. We are looking forward to your coming. And if you're coming from America, or you're coming from Canada, or anywhere from Europe, you don't need a visa. You only need your passport and your ticket or rail card to be able to. Oh, by the way, you cannot travel on rail from America or Canada into England, so you need to fly in from America or Canada into England. And once you arrive, or before you arrive, just write us to admin@harvestways.org so that we can arrange to meet you. But you must have your spending money. Now, people say, why don't you just call us in? Call us in from Africa. No, we are not giving any letters to the embassies. You have to have your visas to be able to come in to England, and we will meet you at the airport and make sure that you also have your spending money and you've booked your hotel and your feeding opportunities, and we will be able to meet you at the airport and take it over from there.